Two night shift employees were moving lighting and spray painting equipment inside a barge to continue a painting operation. Employees on the previous shift had been painting in the confined space continually for 10 hours. The paint mixture being used was flammable. The lighting equipment was not explosion-proof. There was no ventilation and only one open access hole. Painters and laborers constantly entered the confined space without any air monitoring. As the two night shift employees set up the equipment, a spark ignited the flammable paint vapors and caused a flash fire. Both employees were killed. Sufficient ventilation would have kept the concentration of flammable vapors below 10% of the lower explosive limit. A shipyard competent person should have visually inspected and tested the confined space for oxygen content and lower explosive limits prior to entry by employees and found the flammable atmosphere. There should be no plugs or electrical connections within 50 feet of hazardous atmospheres and painting operations. Explosion-proof lighting and equipment must be used when spraying flammable liquids. The employer did not make sure that employees entering confined spaces were properly trained to recognize hazards. Although not contributing to the fatality, electrical cords and open access holes presented two additional safety hazards. Electrical cords and painting hoses should not be in the way of workers using the ladder. Clear interference with ladder access as much as possible. Open access holes and decks should be adequately guarded to prevent employees from accidentally falling down them.